Good afternoon, class. Welcome to today's session where we are going to talk about.
Umezima mic.
Good afternoon, class. Welcome to today's session where we are going to talk about the ocular parts of a microscope. And before I take you through that, I want we recap on the last session, what we learned during the last session. I know as for now, each and every one of you is well conversant with the parts of a microscope and their functions. So let's narrow down to the ocular parts of a microscope. I'm going to share my screen. Is my screen visible? The ocular parts of a microscope often referred to as eyepiece or the optical parts of a microscope. It plays a crucial role in the process of viewing the specimen. And I want to identify the various types of, the ocular parts of a microscope. One being the eyepiece, or in other words, it's the ocular lenses. The function of an eyepiece is like a window through which you look to view the specimen on the microscope. On the microscope stage, it typically magnifies the image produced by the objective lenses. Let's go to the second piece of ocular part of a microscope. We have eyepiece tube. When we say an eyepiece tube, that is the tube that holds the ocular lenses in place and connect it to the rest of the microscope. This tube is aligned so that the light from the specimen travels directly to the eye, and it helps to maintain the correct distance between the eyepiece and the objective lenses. And the third part is the diopter adjustment, which helps to compensate for the natural difference in vision between your right and left eyes. It's like having a built-in eye helper that makes sure both eyes can focus comfortably, reducing the need for extra squinting or effort. And the last part of piece of ocular part of a microscope is the field of view. Um, Field of view helps to adjust the magnification by changing the objective lenses. The field of view changes, becoming narrower with the higher magnifications and broader with lower one. Imagine peering through a small window at a big landscape. The higher you zoom, the smaller view through the window becomes, but details become clear. And I think that's the end of session for today, unless there is any question. Unless anyone with a question?